Everybody wants to be great, but few understand greatness doesn't happen overnight. People see the moment, not the movement. They see the highlight, not the hours of alignment that's behind it. Truth is, greatness happens one move at a time. It's the early mornings when nobody's watching, the quiet moments when you could quit, but you don't. The days you stay disciplined, even when no one is clapping for you. Every step, mental, physical, spiritual, is a deposit toward the future version of you. The version that moves with clarity, walks with confidence, and stays grounded in peace. That's what we teach at Justice Culture. How to build alignment that outlasts burnout. How to create balance across mind, body, finances, relationships, and spirit. Because when you move in balance, you move in purpose. Our Step into Greatness socks were created to carry that message. Your energy has a uniform, and this is part of it. Every time you put these on, remember, you're walking with intention. Every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that you're still moving toward purpose. I've seen it time and time again. Clarity, consistency, and calm outperform chaos every single time. So take your time, protect your peace, and keep stepping. Because the journey is the greatness, and every move matters. Justice Culture. Mind sharp, body strong, soul connected. Step into greatness at justiceculture.com.